Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are good. Our topic in GK subject is flightless birds. Do you know what are flightless birds? Flightless birds are birds that cannot fly. Flightless birds are birds that cannot fly. Some birds are like this is an ostrich. What is this? Yes, this is an ostrich. This is an ostrich. It is a largest bird in the world. It can run very fast. It is a largest bird in the world. It can run very fast. Now your turn. Good. Name the largest bird in the world. An ostrich is the largest bird in the world. An ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Now your turn. Good. This is an emu. What is this? This is an emu. This is an emu. It is second largest bird in the world. It is second largest bird in the world. Now your turn. Speak. Good. This is a kiwi. What is this? This is a kiwi. This is a kiwi. It is very little bird. It has long beak. It is very little bird. It has long beak. Beak means chonch. Now your turn. Yes. Now tell me which is very little bird. Kiwi is very little bird. Kiwi is very little bird. Now you will speak. This is a hen. What is this? Yes, this is a hen. This is a hen. It gives us eggs. Its baby is called chick. It gives us eggs. Its baby is called chick. Now your turn. Correct. Now tell me, what does hen give us? A hen gives us egg. A hen gives us egg. Now you will speak. Good. Next question is, what is the baby of hen called? The baby of hen is called chick. The baby of hen is called chick. Now your turn. Correct. This is a penguin. What is this? Yes, this is a penguin. This is a penguin. It eats fishes. It can drink sea water. It is excellent swimmer. It eats fishes. It can drink sea water. It is excellent swimmer. Now you will speak. Good. Now tell me, which bird is excellent swimmer? Penguin is excellent swimmer. Penguin is excellent swimmer. Now you will speak. Good. Next question is, which bird can drink sea water? Penguin can drink sea water. Penguin can drink sea water. Now it's your turn. Speak. Excellent. This is a duck. What is this? Correct. This is a duck. This is a duck. It gives us eggs. Its baby is called duckling. It gives us eggs. Its baby is called duckling. Now you will speak. Good. Now tell me, what is the baby of duck called? The baby of duck is called duckling. The baby of duck is called duckling. Now your turn. Speak. Good. Now there are some questions on flightless bird. Learn and revise with the help of parents. Bye. Have a nice day.